How to draw a human figure in 3-point perspective. Start by taking 3-point perspective dots, that are the vanishing points. Then extend the straight lines from the vanishing point. Make sure you take the third vanishing point below as you are showing the human figure from above. Then as these grid lines are really essential to get an idea and visualize how the scenario is going to be. Then we are going to draw a cuboid in this 3-point perspective. I have videos related to how to draw these cuboids on my YouTube channel, so you're free to go there and watch. Okay, so I draw this cuboid to make sure that I fit my human figure in this cuboid. And then I make the basic human figure grid line, that is the upper body, the lower body. I'll make sure that these lines are vanishing to the vanishing point, because that is the most essential part of 3-point perspective. The lines that are horizontal of the human beings have to vanish to the vanishing point situated below. Thank you for watching my video. Please do visit my YouTube channel for more perspective videos and design art related videos. Thank you.